5 things you should never do to your laptop. First, never use a laptop while it's unplugged, if you don't have to. If you have access to electricity, use it. Otherwise, constantly recharging your battery will reduce its lifespan significantly. Modern laptops are able to keep the battery in an optimum state while plugged in, meaning the device can prolong its life. That said, never use unbranded or cheap laptop chargers. They aren't made to high standards, probably won't offer the best charging speeds, and, worst case, can damage your device. Next, don't use your laptop directly on a bed or sofa. The amount of dust that can get into your computer this way is mind-boggling and will likely result in heat damage long term. Putting it on a soft surface can also obstruct the ventilation ports and cause your laptop to overheat there and then. Number 4. Don't pay for antivirus software.
Our testing shows that the free and paid versions of an antivirus from the same company usually offer the same level of core threat protection.
And free AV also takes away the hassle of navigating the often confusing auto-renewal conditions. And finally, don't click on ads offering to provide a free system cleanup of your device. These tools will always find problems and then ransom you into paying for them. You can find things like out-of-date software and folders with large files yourself using your laptop's system settings.